Hey friends, Henry here with Wedding Chat Marketing. Super excited to do an overview of ManyChat here in 2021. An exciting time with chat marketing on how to connect, converse, and collaborate with your potential customers and clients. Chances are there's going to be a part 2, maybe a part 3, so be sure to watch all of those things. So here we are already in the dashboard of ManyChat. We're going to use my agency account, Creative Chat Marketing, for this demo. Now, let me back up just a little bit here. If you're just hearing about ManyChat or what's chat marketing or even what's ManyChat, be sure to check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/wedding chat marketing. That being said, ManyChat is the most powerful chat marketing software. I like to think of it as a CRM or a client relationship management tool. And it's not only to help you automate things, of course, saving time, but you're going to be able to connect various messaging channels all together, i.e. Facebook Messenger, texting or SMS, even conventional email marketing, as well as new channels in the very near future like Instagram, as well as WhatsApp. So super duper powerful. Chances are you're watching this, you are a business owner, whether you're a creative, own a restaurant, retail, online, e-commerce, a coach, educator, it doesn't matter. If you have an online presence, if you want to connect with your clients and customers, then you gotta use something like ManyChat. Okay, let's get right into it. We're going to get technical here. By this point, hopefully you have signed up for ManyChat. So if you haven't already, be sure to, of course, get an account over at ManyChat.com. Or if you could help me out a little bit, you can use my affiliate link, which is chatmarketing.tips/ManyChat, or click the link in the description, and I'll greatly appreciate if you use that. And so here we are on the main page of ManyChat. And you can read through all the amazing features of ManyChat, but essentially whenever you're ready, you're going to click on Get Started here, Get Started for free. And I already have an account, so I'm not going to be able to show this to you, but essentially you're going to sign up with Facebook. There is no, well, Google as well, but aside from that, you're going to have to sign in one of these ways. Once you sign up, you're going to connect your Facebook page to your ManyChat account. So being that this is an overview video, I'm not going to be able to get into all the details, so check out the other videos I have on my YouTube channel. But essentially with your ManyChat account, you have one ManyChat account. And then once you've created your account, you will connect to your Facebook business page. However, if you have multiple businesses or multiple business pages, you're only going to need one ManyChat account to connect to all of your Facebook business pages. However, one Facebook business page equals one chatbot equals one pro plan. I'll talk about that in just a second. So once you set everything up, you're going to be taken over to this screen right here, which is the dashboard. So this is the dashboard in the upper left-hand corner. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. You're going to see the name of your business. In my case, it's Creative Chat Marketing. And you also may notice this blue label where it says Pro. So by default, when you sign up for a ManyChat account, you're going to be on the free plan. And the free plan is amazing. You're still going to be able to set up your chatbot and get things going. However, I definitely recommend that you upgrade to the Pro plan. And I'll show you how to do that when we get over to the settings. And that being said, you need to have the Pro plan in order to utilize some of the features of ManyChat, especially the really powerful ones like SMS, email, and others. And it's, as of now, $10 per month for up to 500 subscribers. So really affordable. I recommend you upgrade to the Pro as soon as you start building your chatbot. Okay, so let's get back to the overview right here. Here we are in the dashboard in the upper left-hand corner. You see all the different options right here. You have home all the way down to the very bottom to templates, my profile, and help. So we're gonna brush right through most of these things, being that this is not only an overview, but a basic look at ManyChat. I am not gonna get into the advanced stuff. That being said, as you're watching this and you have questions on anything specific, go ahead and leave a comment down below this video or email me, Instagram, DM, whatever is easiest for you. Let me know if you want to see a specific tutorial video on something, and I'll be more than happy to make that for you. Okay, so here you see on the goals and strategies at the very top, goals and strategies. Let me zoom in a little bit. You got all these amazing tutorials and videos. So not only what I'm going to share with you, but ManyChat in itself has really awesome tutorials. So I recommend go to ManyChat.com, check it out. Chances are under the resources section. There's also where you can get help from experts and try strategy recommend based on your goals. So lots of resources out there, which is super duper cool. And then let's go back up to the top right here. Overview. So overview is where it's going to show you, well, an overview of your chatbot. And so we're in this created chat marketing account. You notice I don't really use this a lot to actually get so-called contacts or subscribers leads. This is actually where I build my chatbot templates for my clients and students. You see at the very top right here, EU privacy policies. This is super important, especially if you are in Europe or you have clients, customers in Europe. I'll leave this for another video, but let's scroll down just a bit. This is where you're going to see the different channels that is connected to your ManyChat account. Of course, you got your Facebook page one, and that's just always going to be your m.me/ whatever your business URL is. You can see that's also called the bot link. And then if you have SMS connected, you'll see that right in the middle. And then also email. You see, I don't really send out a lot from this account, but the more you send out, it is going to cost a bit. Super duper affordable. You do need to have the pro plan of ManyChat, but SMS is just 1 cent per outbound message. Inbound or messages sent from your contacts to your business is free. It's only when you send out or when your chatbot sends out. And then for email, it is super duper cheap, practically free. Basically, it's 0.001 cents, I believe. I mean, honestly, with the $10, unless you're sending out thousands of emails, you're not going to be spending more. I believe it's like for 100 emails, it'll cost you 10 cents. And so for 1,000 emails you want to send out, that's like $1 or something. So yeah, really cheap. Down below that, you have the actual overview. So this is where you'll see your subscriber as, or now ManyChat calls it, contacts. So when I say contacts, that basically means your subscribers, those that have opted into your chatbot. So you'll see the gradual increase, hopefully over time. You can always change the duration right there. You can see who are active, who are not active anymore, and the difference between the two. So that information is right there. Next thing right here would be your total number of active contacts. Language, which is always nice to know what language your contacts are speaking, the demographics from a gender standpoint, and then a bunch of other information. And then the other tab after overview at the very top, you'll see it says metrics. So this is where when you have something set up called conversion events using what's called the ManyChat pixel. So this is definitely more on the intermediate to advanced side, then you will see the stats here. So what's really awesome about ManyChat is that you can actually track what your contacts do after they opt into your chatbot and then go elsewhere, i.e. like to your website. If you want to track if that person ended up filling out, let's say, a contact form, signing up for a webinar, making a purchase, you can track dollars, you can track the number of opt-ins on your website and so forth using these conversion events right here. So currently I don't have anything set up for this account, but if you'd like me to show you how to do that, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to make another video for you. So that takes care of the main area, the home. Let's go now to the left-hand side. I'm going to give you a quick overview what each of these things are, and then we'll dive a little bit deeper into each one. First off will be audience right here, and this is where you will see all of your contacts, people that are currently still subscribed to, that have unsubscribed, and their information. So whenever you want to see who's in your chatbot, go over to the audience. Next thing will be growth tools, super important as well. We always need a way for that contact to opt into your ManyChat, your chatbot. And that is done through what's called growth tools. Growth tools range from that little customer chat widget on your website, basically that little pop-up in the lower right-hand corner, to simply a link that you can place wherever you can put links, what's called a reference URL. Growth tools can also be a QR code that your customers or whomever can scan and then opt into your chatbot. Growth tools also include connecting with Facebook ads and what's called Facebook ads, JSON, JASON, and so forth. So growth tools, basically, it's the bridge, the connector between the quote unquote outside world, i.e. your potential clients, and then the inside world, that is your chatbot. Okay, next thing will be live chat. So as it sounds, this is a section, excuse me, for all of your audience members that you are still talking to, either you as the human being, the business owner, or the chatbot in itself. So any conversations that's going on, you want to keep track, you want to respond back to them, you can find that in live chat. Then we have broadcasting. Think of broadcasting just like broadcasting in the sense of email, like in MailChimp or ConvertKit, you're sending out this one-time message, basically blasting a certain email to a bunch of people, which you can define, you can filter. It could be everyone, which I don't really recommend. That's not an effective way. Or let's say only those that have interacted with you in the last 30 days, or that have said they're interested in a certain product and so forth. So you can send out a broadcast here in ManyChat, not only with email with the pro version, but also SMS broadcast, as well as, of course, Facebook Messenger broadcast. There are some rules that you need to follow, especially on the Messenger side, but you will go here under broadcasting. Automation, this is where you're going to spend most of your time. This is where you build out what's called your flows. Basically, that fancy diagram with all the arrows and boxes and colors and all. Basically, this is where you build your chatbot. You set up what's called your flows. That's the diagram with all the arrows and color schemes and boxes, and what makes it all work is going to be under automation. There's also like keywords and it's called sequences. So pretty much your chatbot, the meat of it is going to be under the automation section. Next, we have ads, and this is very much connected to Facebook ads. So if you're familiar running Facebook ads, you can actually run what's called messages campaign here in ManyChat. You can still do it over on Facebook ads, but you can also have it here using the built-in Facebook ads feature of ManyChat. And then settings, that's where basically all the bells and whistles, options, configurations, you will go into settings. Now in the lower left-hand corner, you have templates. This is where you actually want to download existing templates that ManyChat has provided, maybe based on your specialty, your business. You might find a template that could work for you. My profile, I'm definitely not going to click on that because that goes to all the businesses that are connected to my ManyChat account. Remember when I mentioned at the beginning of this video that you only need one ManyChat account, which is basically, I don't want to say it this way, but it is kind of like your Facebook profile account. It is connected to your Facebook profile account, your personal one. However, if you have multiple businesses, you're working with clients or others, then they're all connected to your one ManyChat account. So when I were to click on this, you'll see the folks that I'm working with. And then finally, help. You can click on there to read articles, watch videos, get in touch with support, and so forth. All right, so in part one here of the overview of ManyChat, we went over what ManyChat is, how it helps your business, and an overview on the left-hand side of all the different options. So in part two and maybe even part three, we're gonna get into some of these things right here. So I'll see you in the next video soon. Thanks.